Assalamu alaikum friends and my dear students. How are you? Hopefully all of you are fine. My name is Engineer Muhammad Wasim and today I am recording the lecture number 23, which is related to a very important topic known as a directional coupler. Now in this video I will tell you what is a directional coupler and why we use this directional coupler and how to design a directional coupler and how a directional coupler look, especially for the newcomers. Now before going toward the video or the topic, it is requested to all of you that kindly subscribe the channel Infotech Science and also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you can get through notification. Now moving toward the video, the topic is actually a directional coupler. We can say that the directional coupler is actually a 4-port device which is specially used to sample a very small amount of the input power signal for measurement purpose. Actually, this is the sample of a directional coupler. You saw that this is actually a 4-port directional coupler. In this 4-port directional coupler, we have 4 ports. One port is specially used for the input purpose, that is this is the port number 1, and the port number 2, which is this, is specially used to take the output signal. It means that the power received is received from that port, that is port number 2. The port number 3, which is located here, is actually used for the coupling purpose. It means that it is a coupling port. Now the port number 4, which is actually provide the isolation, is the port number 4. Now how it operate, I will tell you how it operate. First of all, you saw that this is actually a directional coupler and these are the 4 ports with having the red cap that is located in the connector side. In the directional coupler, whenever we feed a power at the port number 1, that is this, whenever a power is fed at port number 1, it's travel toward the port number 2. A very small amount of the input signal power is usually coupled at the port number 3. Now what is the value of the power that is coupled at the port number 3? This totally depends on the value of the coupling value of this directional coupler that we used here. It is depend on the what value of the directional coupler is to be used. Actually, coupling is a key parameter which usually decide that what type of the directional coupler is to be used. Now what happened toward the port number 4, which is this? Actually, an ideal case, 0 power is to be received at the port number 4, but practically some minor amount of the power is to be received at the port number 4. Friends, usually directional couplers are existed as a single directional device, but sometimes it act as a bidirectional device, or you can say that in the both directions. In case of single direction, the power is always fed from this position and received at this position, and this is a coupling device, this is an isolation device. However, if we change it like that, if we change it in this condition, if we use this port as an input port, this is output port, now this port is act as a, you can say that a coupling port, and this is a port 4 is usually used as an isolation port. It is depend on you what type of the directional coupler is to be used, whether it is a single direction, whether it is a bidirectional. Now it's usually coupling is totally dependent on the coupling factor. Now what is the coupling factor? Actually the coupling factor is basically is a ratio of 2 things. One is the power that is incident, or you can say that is fed, and the power that is forwarded. This is the formula. C is equal to 10 log 10 P of I divided by PF. This is the actually the value of the, or you can say that the formula of the coupling factor or the coupling ratio. Now the value of the coupling is actually lies between 6 dB up to 30 dB. Main thing why we use the directional coupler, actually the directional coupler is specially used in order to achieve a higher directivity with having a good impedance, which will also have a ability to check the amount of the power that is to be delivered from port 1 toward the port 2. Now Usually the directional coupler are existed in different form, in different types, like sometime it existed in a microstrip antenna design, sometime it have design of a waveguide type, sometime it existed in a unidirectional, sometime it existed in a bidirectional. Now it's up to the demand of the design. Now at the end of the video, I again tell you that this is actually a directional coupler which is specially used in order to sample a very small amount of the input power signal in order to measure the power value. This is usually existed in a 4-port device. It is a 4-port device. Sometimes it is specially used for a coupling, and sometimes it is also used as a splitter, or you can say that as a combiner, like a power divider. Hopefully all the things that I tell to you in this video are clear in your mind, and now I am leaving the video. Bye.